Replacing iComfort 10F81 thermostat, 4 wires C, I plus, R.
Have you replaced your thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
Sorry, I sent that before I was finished.
How long has this been going on with your thermostat? What have you tried so far?
The iComfort is a whiteout screen. I have read these thermostats are.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I am replacing with an Eco B3 Lite thermostat. The wiring on the iComfort is marked with C, I plus, R. Not sure what the I and I plus connection is supposed to be on other therm. It has a C wire.
Hello, the Ecobee and the iComfort work on entirely different principles and are in no way compatible. I am sorry to give you that bit of bad news. Could easily ruin the rest of the very expensive controls in your equipment by connecting the Ecobee to that wiring. I'm Phil, mechanical engineer / electrical, boiler, and HVAC contractor retired. Allow time for me to pull manuals, do CAD drawings for you or type a response before terminating our discussion, please. I will always stay with you to the very end, and in over 98% of the questions I deliver a suitable solution. Note, on this end we do not stand by. I am notified when you post back, and that puts you back at the head of my queue so there can be that wait. I sleep at night, however. Catalog searches, and typing a well thought out and a helpful response take time. So there can be that delay as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.